It isn't often that a mid-range product outclasses its more expensive counterparts in more ways than one. And the Oppo Enco X from 2019 did just that. In fact, even close to 3 years since, the Oppo Enco X has consistently topped our lists of the best TWS under 10,000. So when its successor, the Oppo Enco X2 launched, our excitement knew no bounds. The Oppo Enco X2 takes the successful formula applied by its predecessor and pushes it to the extreme. It ups the ante with improved ANC, LDAC codec support, added features, multi-point connectivity, and more. All this and the price remains almost the same as the Oppo Enco X. Is this the new flagship killer? I'm Dhriti, you're watching Digit, and for more audio reviews, do hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get started. If you had any qualms about the Oppo Enco X2's sound quality, let me put your mind at ease. These are the most sonically advanced consumer-grade TWS earphones available under 11K. The proof lies in the pudding, and the pudding is exceptional hardware coupled with fantastic tuning. Once again, the tuning has been done in collaboration with Danish company Dynaudio, which has an imposing reputation in hi-fi circles. The Enco X2, like the Enco X, brings dual coaxial drivers, which is unheard of at this price point in the TWS earphones category. You get 11mm dynamic drivers paired with 6mm planar diaphragm drivers, each taking care of a different part of the frequency range. The earphones are equipped with a triple-core chipset, which includes a standalone DAC. All of this wizardry brings out a balanced sound signature with exquisite amounts of detail and character in the bass and the mids. The audio pops a little more in comparison to the Oppo Enco X, since the bass region of the frequency response range sees a slight boost. However, this boost leads to no muddiness whatsoever. What you get is punchy, fast-attacking bass with very short decay. Mids are detailed and unhindered by the bass. Vocals in the tracks are articulate, clear, and don't sound sibilant, which is sometimes an issue at this price range. The highs are sparkly and the drop-off is not too harsh at all. Due to the pumped-up bass, the issue we faced with the Oppo Enco X, where the treble could end up sounding a bit too harsh at times, is solved. So what you get here is incredibly balanced and detailed sound with little to complain about. The soundstage is excellent as well and has improved in comparison to the Enco X, although it doesn't match up to the Sennheiser MTW3's vast stage. Imaging is great too, with instruments' location being easily discernible in the mix. Overall, these are incredibly versatile earphones that sound divine for their price range when listening to almost any genre of music. The Oppo Enco X2 swings way above its price range and can definitely take on even some premium TWS in the earphones market in 2022. Let's move on to Active Noise Cancellation, one of the most sought-after features on headphones in 2022. The company claims 45 decibels of noise cancellation with the new Enco X2s, an improvement over the originals. The difference is actually pretty palpable, with the Enco X2 being able to drown out quite a lot of ambient chatter. However, it still doesn't match up to the heavyweights such as the Sony WF-1000 XM4 and AirPods Pro. Noise cancellation is available in 4 modes: mild, moderate, max, and smart. The smart mode picks one of the 3 based on your current environment and ambient sound levels. The Enco X2 comes equipped with AI noise cancellation for calls with bone conduction technology that extrapolates your voice and relays it in a clear manner. The earbuds have a triple microphone setup, with each side sporting 3 high-sensitivity mics. The calls and voice recordings are much clearer than they were on the Oppo Enco X. They even do a much better job in noisy environments, with the buds picking up minimal surrounding sounds. We've seen truly wireless earbuds with exceptional sonic presence under 10 or 11K, but when that's coupled with a solid array of useful features, the combination is something special. With the Oppo Enco X2, you get practically every feature you could think of at Rs 10,999. Some of these features are even absent on flagship TWS earphones. First, let's delve into the accompanying app, which is the Hey Melody app. Oppo phone users don't need a dedicated app since the features can be accessed via the Bluetooth menu. For those with non-Oppo devices, the app is available on both Android and iOS. It delivers fantastic user experience and a wide array of features. You get toggles for ANC intensity, 5 EQ presets, personalized ANC and sound according to your ear shape and hearing, game mode, ear tip fit test and customizable controls. Game mode brings down the latency to 94 milliseconds, so latency when playing games and watching videos is barely noticeable with this mode turned on. The app also allows you to turn on dual connection or multi-point connectivity, a nifty feature that allows you to connect to two devices simultaneously and switch seamlessly between them. It's fantastic to have this feature on mid-range truly wireless earbuds since some premium ones also skip out on this. The Oppo Enco X2 also supports an array of codecs, including high-quality ones such as LHDC and LDAC, alongside the legacy AAC and SBC codecs. LHDC and LDAC can be toggled on within the app itself, so you don't even need to mess with Bluetooth settings or developer options. Additionally, the earphones are powered by Bluetooth version 5.2 with support for binaural low-latency Bluetooth transmission. All of this equates to fantastic connectivity with no audio drops or jitters. While the Oppo Enco X didn't blow us away with its battery performance chops, the Enco X2 does enough for us to sit up and take notice. The earphones come with a whopping 40 hours of total playtime and 9 hours of playtime on a single charge. These figures are with AAC codec on and ANC turned off, but it is still impressive and on the higher side of the spectrum. With LHDC and ANC turned on, you're looking at 5 hours of playtime on a single charge and 20 hours in total. While these aren't fantastic numbers, the battery life has certainly improved over its predecessor. In our test, the Oppo Enco X2 earbuds lasted a little over 5 hours on a single charge with ANC turned on and LDAC codec active. The earbuds also support fast charging, which was absent on the Oppo Enco X. A quick 5-minute charge will net you 2 hours of playback time, and the earbuds take about 1 hour to charge to full. The earbuds also come with Qi wireless charging support, which is super convenient. The base design of the Oppo Enco X2 has been altered only slightly in comparison to the Enco X. A few design flourishes that grace the Enco X are missing here, with Oppo having opted for a more muted look. The case and earbuds are glossy white with black-colored R and L indicators added on the buds for easy identification, a touch that we quite appreciated. The earbuds have an in-ear design with silicone ear tips. Oppo has also bundled multiple ear tips in the box, so most users should find a snug-fitting pair with ease. The company also claims that these ear tips come with an antibacterial design and with earwax prevention, meaning that the earwax is prevented from entering the speaker outlets. The charging case has a small footprint with an Oppo branding on the top and a Dynaudio logo at the back. There's also a USB-C port and a charging indicator LED at the bottom. The case's hinge is reinforced with metal, making it robust and sturdy, something that's not very common at this price. As for the earbuds, each one weighs merely 4.7 grams, so they're quite lightweight and comfortable to wear over long periods. The stems feature pressure-sensitive controls, something that works wonders on earphones such as the AirPods 3 and the OnePlus Buds Pro. The pressure controls work well, but they're not as accurate as on the AirPods. Additionally, volume can be controlled by sliding up or down on the stem. But the placement of the zone is towards the inner side of the ear, which doesn't lend itself well to comfortable operation. Despite this nitpick, the earbuds and case are well built. The earbuds are also comfortable and snug enough to be used when exercising or running. Add to that the IP54 dust and water resistance rating, and you've got a pair of earphones that are well equipped to handle the outdoors. The Oppo Enco X2 follows the footsteps of its predecessor and even goes above and beyond what the Enco X achieved. It punches way above its weight with exceptional audio quality and an array of nifty features on offer at 11K. Oppo has taken numerous steps to improve user experience with the addition of features such as personalized sound and ANC, LDAC codec support, great battery life, and improved ANC. This will be our go-to pair of TWS earphones to recommend to those who want to experience every feature a 2022 TWS can offer without paying a hefty premium. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know in the comments below and tell us which earbuds you're using currently. Before leaving, check out this video. Click on it, we know you'll enjoy it. See you next time and bye.